It was the freaky library, and then I think we go to left.
Stop moving.
What's the content in here for?
I'm clicking. Don't talk to me.
I hope he doesn't kick us.
Please. Okay, run.
I think it's through here.
No. My light. There's a soccer ball.
Oh shoot. Oh,
This isn't where we were.
It's okay.
He's looking. That was bad.
This is really
I don't like you! Yeah, this is probably it.
Oh!
No! Oh God!
Where is it?
I don't know.
Oh!
Oh, we're dead. We're dead.
Ow! Katie, go!
I'm gonna get spidered. Run without me!
I don't know where I'm going. The jester's gonna.
I'm dead!
Ah! No!
They got him!
Okay. Oh!
She's getting flown!
Okay.
So, we can
I'll
maybe
try to
get-
distract
If it
him.
has friends, then that'll be a problem.
Oh, there's baboon.
Really?
Yeah. We're doomed.
We are doomed.
Sorry to be pessimistic, but...
Oh my god! Now I'm even more hurt.
No, Joy. Hoarder bug, oh hoarder bug.
Go get this guy.
Where have you? Oh,
Oh, what?
Why is that open? Why was that open?
What's open?
The door here.
Oh! Here.
Where'd you go, buddy? Where are you? What?
What? Oh, oh!
Oh, that was not a good decision! Oh lord!
Did she die?
I killed him! I killed him!
Yes!
I'm critical and there's a spider in here.
Oh, what? There's a. Where's his stuff?
There's a second one.
oh!
Should I kill him? Should I kill him?
Oh!
You are critically injured,
Here, give me
Katie.
that.
Don't back up anymore, there's a landmine behind you, babes.
Oh. Oh, that's
Oh.
blood.
Who is that?
That's a squirrel guy. He's running.
Where's the other bug?
I don't know where
I
he
don't want to
went.
get near the spider.
Is it over? Oh. Red spider. Julia, what do we do?
I don't know.
Do we explode ourselves? Oh, he's coming. He's right there.
Oh, oh.
Kill him, kill him!
This side, this side, this side.
Slime!
Killed it!
Did you kill it? You killed it? Great jerk. Great work. Let's go find their
There's a
loot.
slime going that way, there's a slime going that way.
There's a slime.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a slime right there.
Oh. There's another hoarder bug!
There's more. I think we're doomed. I think we're doomed, Julia.
Oh. Oh.
Did you die?
Oh! Whoa.
You're a loser. You're a loser.
Oh.
You suck. Lose. Oh, he's in
I brought
here.
one in.
Did he die? He just
No.
got smashed. Oh, thumper.
Oh!
Would you say that? Oh, who is that? Kill him! Would you say? Out you laugh. That's not good. Probably a good idea to jump off that cliff, Katie.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I can hear it. You have a stop sign, you could kill it.
Kill that thing off her head.
Ow! Oh. Oh, hi. Is Katie talking?
Katie. Yeah, Katie, Julia can't hear you.
We could try to blow it up with this landmine if it comes over here.
Katie is talking, by the way.
I cannot hear her. This is really sad. I don't know why this happens.
You could probably turn her on Discord.
Oh. Oh! Locked here. Maybe it's unlocked. Okay, this one.
Yeah. Oh. Stop. You go.
Okay. Oh! Oh! Katie. I have a worm on my head. Where am I going?
Julia, what's going on?
I have a worm on my head.
There's a
She's got a
I got a thing
She got
on
a
me.
worm on her head, and she just died.
That's pretty easily. Like,
Yes,
you can get it from cats. Are
I
you
told
on
you.
here? What's wrong with you?
I don't know. Jump!
Why are you on it?
I don't know. I just started following you and then I had to come in.
I saw you pass me and I was like, what?
Well, oh. There is a bracken in here.
Kill him. Shoot him with a gun.
Oh, what?
What is this?
I've never seen this before.
Oh, to take shelter immediately?
Oh my god, I want to see it.
I want to see. Yeah, no, I want to see this.
Oh!
Oh.
God, there's so many! I should probably leave. That's too long. It'll be over, I think. Oh, that guy just got blasted.
Julia, look at me.
Put that in the vid. Put that in the vid.
When you have scabies.
Oh.
The
That's
fans, all 117 of the fans are gonna think that Katie has scabies IRL.
I've never.
Crazy.
No.
I have never had scabies. I will never have scabies.
Oh, oh!
I-
I'm gonna get killed.
What? Oh, no!
I'm under the-
You.
Don't say that.
Oh, Julia. I don't even need to do the jump.
You can do it anyway. I think that'd be a good idea. Where's
Ooh,
Julia?
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Are you near
Julia,
me?
Julia went under the
Ella. Oh,
ship.
no, you're not Ella. You're Ava. I died.
You jumped too soon
Ella,
and went
I
under the
died.
ship.
Your new name is Ella.
I
You're
did
my
it
new
before,
Ella.
It sucks.
Ella, I died. I'm just gonna send that.
Ella.
What?
Just me died.
You should give me the role, my Ella. My new Ella.
My new Ella.
New
I should do that. I should do
My new Ella.
Get away from me. No!
Oh, that was bold.
Maybe a little too bold, dare I say.
Get on your nasties behavior. Hey!
Get you on
I
your
don't know what I'm
scabies behavior.
No!
Yeah, right. On your scabies behavior, everyone.
Hey, fam.
Hey fam, everybody make sure you're getting checked for scabies.
Hey fam, this scabies homie son.
Hey fam, this scabies homie, son. Don't apply that ointment.
So bad.
Ava.
Oh, wait.
I think it might have been something I said. I don't know.
What?
There's a jester.
God. Let's get out of here.
This is really sad.
Oh, you got something. We'll come back.
Oh, he's in here!
Probably.
Oh, he's in here! Go up.
No.
Just go up. I don't think we're gonna be able to get out.
Oh, he left. He left. He left.
Not for me. Not for me. Not for me. No, no, no,
No, she's still blocked in by the jester, but it's only a matter of time. He's winding.
no. Oh my god.
He's in the elevator and
Oh
he's
my god.
stuck. Oh. Yeah, but on her screen, it's still right there. Oh, well, no, she can't.
Oh, does it kill you?
Not
when you
anymore.
touch it?
Not anymore.
I'm going back. It's not worth it. Why did I do that?
I don't think it's just a skin mite.
Katie.
Scabies?
I don't know.
No, my name is not Scabies.
Oh, you had a key.
It was just open.
What? It said it was locked for me. This is just like that one where. Oh! It's okay. I'm okay.
Yeah.
I'm okay.
I didn't know what it was. I didn't know what it was.
Okay, I need to pick up my
You
flash.
dropped your flash.
I'm okay.
Flashbang him.
Yeah.
Wait, I can't see him.
But I'm not. He's not.
Okay. Okay.
It did not work.
Dance, dance for it, dance for it, dance for it. Uh-oh.
Dance, monkey, dance,
Dance,
monkey, dance.
monkey, A coil head in a cave is a bad thing. Where is he?
He's a terrible.
Oh!
He's right there.
He's
I
getting...
dare you. I dare you.
Oh, there's a
Great.
landmine like right here somewhere. Are you kidding me? Oh my god.
I did that.
Oh my god. I thought he did that. I thought he did that. He's gonna be coming back
Where's the
soon.
way out? Where's the way out? I don't know where the way out is. He's trapped in the caves.
Oh my god.
We let him loose in the cave.
Oh!
That's just a squirrel.
Okay. This is a squirrel wizard.
That's what a squirrel
There's
wizard
a turret
looks
right
like.
over there. There's a turret right
Yeah,
over
we gotta be careful.
Yeah, that's the one that we want.
Where's the coil
You're
head
like
gonna come
Durf.
back?
I don't think he will.
Oh!
Oh,
Right here, right
let's
here,
go.
right here.
Oh my god.
Again,
Oh!
again.
Yeah,
He's in
it's
there.
over.
Send him up. Send him up. Send him up.
I'm
Send him
going
up.
with them.
Oh my god!
Bye.
No! I'm stuck down here with a coil head!
Yeah, and a spore lizard and a turret right over there. Die, 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 let me die, let me die. That's the...
Oh my god. Oh my god, I hear him. Is he good?
She's coming
Oh,
back.
no. Oh no! Oh, run, Katie!
Where am I? Where am
Run!
I can actually see a jester like hunt us. Oh my god.
He quote exploded. She fell down the elevator shaft. Oh my god.
Where is it? Did it fall? Oh my. Did it go up there?
You can see her, she's
Is
dead.
it up there?
Yes. Oh my god!
That scared me so bad.
Nutcracker? You can get kicked. Let's see how far you can get kicked.
Where is it? Oh my god.
I'm being smuggled.
Jimmy Smuggle? I see her. Oh, she freaking died.
Drop your baby, he sucks.
Don't say that. I actually love him again.
Oh. You decided you don't need to beat him any longer?
Oh! I found it.
Yeah, that's true.
There's so much more. Oh!
You gonna invite me?
Oh yeah, Julia, you gotta do that.
I have to
Sorry.
mute you guys too.
Don't mute me.
Yeah, beware.
What if I did?
Your life would suck.
It would be quieter.
You're so wrong. Oh no!
No!
Ava! Yeah!
You made her leave.
Ava!
That's life without me. You like that?
Oh!
Oh, there's a bird.
The
She's
bird.
looking at it. Don't worry.
We're also in a mine shaft.
Oh god. Did Ella die?
No.
Okay.
I
Fine.
was just making sure you're fine.
Unfortunately.
Oh my god, the bird. That's crazy. That's true.
What is that noise?
I don't know.
Who was that, baby? Oh. You scared me. It sounded like a baby.
It was a weird noise.
It went like... But it didn't sound like a honk.
Oh! There's a bracken in here.
Oh.
What? Oh, I'm gonna die.
Oh. I haven't found nothing.
Found a whisk.
I found nothing.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm guessing.
He's in there somewhere.
Oh, maybe that's why.
Maybe we should leave. Oh, yep.
Yeah.
He did die.
It's
Okay.
so
You did
echoey.
I went the wrong way. I went the wrong way.
Oh, I told you that.
This way, this way. Baby! Slide!
Oh god!
We gotta go.
Press the button.
Hit it, hit it, hit it! Okay, we're good. Oh my god, that was close.
Maybe you
You
could
go
go
off,
around.
queen.
I could try to lead it really far. I don't know how far I can run though.
Did you guys all put your stuff away? All of it?
Yeah. Oh! Oh! There's a giant!
I'm guessing Julia's dead.
I'm coming.
Oh wait.
Oh,
Oh,
she's alive.
Got her in.
Alive and well.
you didn't hear, woman.
Ooh!
What? What was that? Oh my god. Oh, she turned on the lights.
Oh my
What
god!
was I- Why did it sound like
I thought there
that?
was like something stomping.
I know. It's scary.
Yeah.
Hello?
Turn the lights
Oh,
on.
I know, we heard. Where is
Pink
this?
cat.
I wish the bird was here.
Where's my bird?
Wait, that's the.
Wait, what? Oh my god.
Oh no. The bird's right
Ella? Ella? There's a bird.
there. The bird's right
The
there.
bird?
It's pecking.
What?
Is it the other way?
Ah! I saw it. No! A worm's gonna get me.
Oh.
The worm's
Where's
gonna
the
get her,
ship?
y'all.
I'm going on the ship.
Run.
Get back.
Get back, get back.
There's a worm.
I don't like this cheese crust, Julia.
Huh?
It's
I
tragic.
don't like the cheese crust.
You don't like it? Give it to me. I'll eat it.
Oh, it's okay. I'll eat it.
What the hell?
She just doesn't want to give you anything.
It's a weird flavor.
Why don't you just go warm the crust up?
You'd have to tear it
Too
off.
late now.
She ate
No,
it.
it's
yeah.
not. You just eat them to the crust, and then after you're done, you have a plate full of crust, and then you go and you microwave it, and then you eat it again.
You want me to leave you?
Yeah, actually, that sounds great.
Leave the call, Ella. Do what she did.
We'll go to Ada.
Oh.
Not the same.
Not the same.
In honor of me.
Even though you're both respectively each other now. Oh,
This is true.
She's dead.
there
Thank
you
God.
go. You did it.
Joined voice.
You happy? Now my stream's gone.
Ava said, thank
Yeah.
God.
Thank
When you
God.
What did you say? Thank God.
Thank God. Yeah.
I would never say that they're lying to you.
What?
I would know.
Did you
I know
heat it
that.
up?
Oh, look at
Oh,
this, guy.
No.
Oh,
It's pretty.
fall.
It's pretty now.
Oh my god!
Wait, I love this.
This is gorgeous!
Oh my
look at the
God.
snakes!
Oh, this makes sense why they're here
Yeah.
now.
Oh my God, tulip snakes.
Oh no.
I'm trying to guide it.
It's coming. Boombox.
Oh, box. 20% off.
20% off?
What is that?
Oh, that's cool. Oh my God.
No. And what was that?
Is there something happening? No, what's happening?
There's a Jack in the Box! It just whatever the hell we
Oh
want
my
to call
God.
it! It's backed Ella up! It's backed Ella
Wait,
up!
why is this one dead?
There's also a thumper! There's also a thumper!
Guys.
Well... Julia, you need to get out now.
Is it winding?
Ella's out! Ella's out, so you're gonna you won't lose everything.
Okay, Ella left.
Hopefully.
I hear it.
You better get
It's-
out, too.
Oh my God, it's almost done.
Guys, both of you better get out.
I've never been killed by this thing. It's coming. No, 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 no!
Ella, if I was in this game, I'd try and push you into quicksand.
Oh my God.
Wow. Okay.
I don't mean it maliciously. Why would you think that?
Oh, that was a kind thing.
I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah,
Your
it was.
activity.
I
Your
meant-
activity.
Get out of there!
Why
Don't
did
do
you
that.
What was in there?
What was it? What was that?
It was
A
running.
thumper? Oh
What are you-
no.
It ran across right when I went in.
What did it do?
They should really be called litter bugs.
Oh
Do not
We
die.
have come up with so many good games.
Ella!
Oh, allergens. I'm like borderline like
Julia,
dead.
What?
About to
Julia.
run straight into the hole.
I'm okay. I saw it.
Okay.
There's something dead here or something
Oh
bad.
no no no.
Oh no!
God.
Ella, run!
Ella, run!
It's probably right behind me. I think it's right behind me.
It sees me.
Ella, save yourself!
Oh my God!
Okay, we're leaving. Ring a ding dong, ring ding dong.
Whoa, whoa!
Something like this.
Oh my god, there's a rocket.
I'm scared. What's it out there? Is it this way?
Stop working.
No, it's a circle.
Oh baby!
Baby!
Oh, baby!
Oh!
Dang it!
Pick him up! Hush him.
Oh, hi.
Where's Al?
Get up! Get away from me! What are you doing?
Go on.
Oh, the
go
door's
on,
out here.
go on.
Go away!
This way, this way.
Dang it! I wish I
my
could get
God.
my fish.
Julia, there's a fish on the ground. Julia, look.
Get that fish. Get that
Oh,
fish.
thank God!
It's Bob from Aliens versus
What?
Humans. What happened?
Ella.
Ella,
my
don't
God.
tell me you
She's
died.
dead.
Ellen.
She's dead.
She died? What?
Bracken.
Ellen?
Oh god.
They really want you.
Ah.
I'm going back.
Please let me go. Oh god. Oh no. Okay, okay. So what you do, you're gonna stand here.
Okay.
And then once I get it away, you grab the eggs. I wonder if
Okay.
you could maybe go through the fire exit?
Oh yeah, you can probably go through the
I
fire.
don't know if I
exit
can
to,
find
like,
my way
escape.
back.
I know. That's the only problem.
Well, we could try to call for you.
We could go in and try to call for you.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think that would work.
Or Katie could go in the
Oh yeah, I
ship
can navigate you.
after we...
But I want to
Okay.
see.
Yeah, you
first.
see, but if once she's in there, we could go to the ship.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's a good idea. Hey. Hey. Oh god! Huh? Ah! It's looking at me, try to go.
Get closer.
Hi. Oh my
Way
god.
too close to the egg, y'all.
I'm really scared.
I want to run.
I don't
You
know.
can do it. Come
Can I do
on.
it?
Just try it.
Oh, Unfortunately, Katie, you've got to go, go, go!
You have to go.
Toggle radio?
Oh.
Ooh.
We're going on a pleasant drive.
I drive.
I hope you know how to drive.
Ah!
Oh my god. Oh my god, you're actually like kind of reverse. Oh.
Okay.
The music over this is really funny. Okay. Look at that! Oh no, don't turn that way. Don't turn that way.
Oh.
This is amazing.
Please hurry. Barely keeping it up.
I got it!
Yeah.
That was so good, Elle. I'm so happy for you. Can you turn that radio off though?
I pushed her on accident. Let's move her into a new spot. Put her in the corner. Go, go, go.
No, hurry,
She
she's
gets back
back.
here. No, no,
Come
no.
back.
Looking at me. Hello.
What is she? Hello?
What's this? It's red. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Ow.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my god.
Oh no. Oh no.
Why is it moving?
Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
I have
Get
to
in there.
hold it down.
Oh.
The brake. Okay. Can we
Okay.
go back?
Yeah, let's go back.
I'm in the back of the car. I wish I had the transmission thing. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff.
We have quotas, so we don't have to worry. We can just try to steal the bird eggs.
Can we run the bird over with the car?
Oh my
No,
god.
I don't know if we should try that.
There's a baby.
What?
There's a baby.
So we're gonna have to find a way out of here. Pick up one of these things. Do we try this way? This is where I was. Oh no! What's happening to it?
What's that? What's that?
What's wrong with it?
What's me?
Oh. Is that new?
No, let me pick you up.
Oh. It didn't want me anymore.
What me?
About that baby.
Bye, baby.
Oh no!
About
Okay,
that-
it's coming
No,
at us.
no, pick it up, pick it up. Pick it up, woman.
I'm trying. It was under me.
Oh!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, you stay up here with the baby for a second.
So this slime's coming pretty quickly, guys. Just a little bit scared of this slime.
Come back. Oh, not this thing. I hate you, slime.
Oh my god, I'm stuck. I can't run, I can't run, I can't run, I can't
Come
run.
here, come here, come here, come
Okay.
here.
I hope Ella doesn't die of that thing.
That thing is awful.